Hello everybody, I'm back. Welcome back to the Red Stick Farm channel. I haven't put up a video for a while. I fell so behind. Spring came so fast and I still had to finish firewood. I'm not even done yet. I shouldn't even say finish firewood. I still got some to do. And between firewood and mowing lawn over here by the house and around the pond and over by the shop, I just didn't have the time. Anyway, I started my first cutting already a week ago at this field over here, and another one, smaller one behind the pond, the big pond on the other side there. So got 218 bales off that field over here, and I did some already today. There's only, this is a little field over here. Got 3 bales down here, and got this side hill over here. I baled it early already. I think got like 30 bales over here, which is not the greatest, but I did not spread an ounce of fertilizer this year because the prices are out of sight. I'm not spending $1,100 or $1,200 a ton of urea. This is crazy. So well, no fertilizer, less yield. It is what it is. So I still got I think we're still gonna have plenty of hay, so at least for us. Got 218, 2250 so far. I'm on my way now to bale like I think it's like 20 acres of hay ground. That's the plan for the rest of the day. I got my Claas baler hooked up, baler wrapper. I'll show you guys how that thing works. This is a real time saver. That helps me a lot. So yeah, and then last week when I did that field, the one I just showed you before, my small tractor is using that diesel exhaust fluid, like all the newer models tractor, and of course in the middle of raking it derated on me. So basically it had no power, 0 power, and it was Memorial Day weekend, and good luck trying to find somebody to come out and fix it. So I was down to 1 tractor, but I got it done. So it's just constantly unhooking things, hooking on things, but what are you gonna do? It's no fun, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But one thing I gotta say, I bought that tractor from Clinton Tractor up in Clinton, New York, and I called them, Monday was a holiday, I called them Tuesday morning, and they came out, I mean, when was it? I think Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday they came out right away and fixed it. So one of the last good companies, Clinton Tractor. I can't say nothing wrong about them. They're really good on service work. So anyway, so this is the field we're gonna do now. It's like 30 acres altogether. It's all this here and up the hill there, so I'll see how that goes. So anyway, turn on my baler. Running at 920, 930 RPM up there. probably like 100 bales over here. That's what I'm shooting for. We'll see. Turn on the four-wheel drive. So 220, 250, 350, and then I still have, after this, I got 70 acres left on a farm I'm renting down the road. So we'll see. I think we'll be good for first cutting, and then hopefully we get some rain in between, and second cutting grows. It does everything automatically. I don't have to do anything. Got a camera here, shows what's going on in the back. Just puts the bale back there. If you can see it, so Murray closes the gate. We'll just start moving. In the meantime, we formed the next bale, basically baled the next bale. It wraps, it puts the plastic on the one we just did. So that saves a lot of time. This thing works great. Anyway, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we don't have any breakdowns, but I'm knock on wood so far, except that one time that tractor. But otherwise it's been going good. Alright guys, see you later. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see over here. The fuel rate is basically 4.2, around 5 gallons an hour. 5.4 baling, which is not so bad. Our speed up here is like almost 6 miles an hour. So that's sometimes if the windrows are, oh, I gotta release the bale. I could set this automatically, but on a side hill, I mean here it would work, but a little bit further over that way, I rather not, because I want to control. I want to let the bale go, because if you're on a hill and that bale automatically releases or goes off the baler, then remember, it's a round bale. It will roll. So I had that before, but if it's flat, if you're on a flat ground, I usually set it on automatic. This way I don't even have to do anything. I don't know if you heard those beeps. If it starts beeping, you stop. It puts the net wrap on the bale, and then drops the bale on the back, and opens the tailgate and pushes the bale back and beeps again, and you can start driving. In the meantime, it wraps. Oh, that one just got done wrapping. Looks pretty simple. I mean, you can clean up an area here like this. I just started, I mean, pretty quick. It makes really nice bales. That's it. Release the bale. Bale is gone. Now he lifts up the tailgate. Next bale comes in. Awesome piece of equipment. It wasn't cheap. I mean, we bought this quite a while ago, but it's worth every penny because you can do it yourself. And the most important thing is, like you guys see over here, I mean, it puts the plastic on right away. The faster the plastic goes on, the better it is, because then the process of fermentation starts right away. So I mean, look at those bales, beautiful, picture perfect bales. Works really, really nice. All right, we got one field done over here. Now we move over to the next one. It always takes a little time to let me shift down a little bit, to open. I mean, to go around the headlands. I usually go around twice, so I make like 2 rows going around. once those headlamps are off, then drop that. Then you just go back and forth. It goes pretty quick. I'm gonna go slow over here. Let's see. I don't want to block this thing. Oh, here we go. Well, we're good. Slow over here. All right. 9, 10, 11. Yeah, once you got those headlamps cleaned up, those 2 rows on either end of the field, then you basically just fly. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bales on the little field. It's pretty good. So, like I said, I'd say probably around 100 bales. Next one is done. I'm gonna back a little bit away from this ditch over here. Otherwise, I have a hard time picking up those bales with a bale wagon I have. I usually just back it away a little bit. Bale is off. That's it. Tailgate opens. Next one goes back. Very easy. But you still have to pay attention. I'm still watching everything. That's why I got this camera up here, so I can see what's going on. But oops, too fast. Sometimes it doesn't. Only 1 roll of plastic starts, because there's 2 rolls of plastic. I will show you guys when I stop to replace the plastic in the back. Sometimes one roll, one part comes out, and then it's only one roll is putting plastic on. So, but at least for the camera, I can see what's going on. All right, keep on going. All right, we have to go and change plastic. Went through 2 rolls here. Usually I get like you can store 5, 10 rolls in here and 2 on each side in the back there. 1 roll of plastic does around 16 bales. Some people probably do less, more bales, but they're cutting down on plastic, which I tried years ago, and it fired back on me. You want to have enough plastic on it, because otherwise the hay, the grass starts spoiling if there's not enough on it. So anyway, well, this one is not completely wrapped yet, so that's where the plastic roll goes. 1 here and 1 on that side there. And open that storage compartment here. So you can open that here. But that's how it works. It's a great baler. Claas Uniwrap. The wind blew my camera over. It's too windy out here. I'm gonna show you guys how to change it. But we got 1 on there now, and gotta drag that through here. Go to the other side. Forgot one thing. Pull that back. That's it. Alright, got both rolls on it. Now we gotta set it to home so it finishes up. The the wrapping cycle. Let's see. See, that's what I was afraid of. It didn't get a hole, didn't get the other side. So now we're just gonna center it. That's it. Now we can put that in there. Well, hopefully we got it now. That's it. Oh, that wasn't much. Well, should be all right. All set. Goes that. Keep on bailing. Yeah, there's still moisture in that hay. It's not completely dry. I mowed that actually yesterday afternoon and raked it up after lunch today, and I'd say it's still got like 50-60% moisture. It's perfect for baleage. So let's keep on going. All right, got another field down there. We got that done. Now we got the last one over here. It's the bigger one from all those. The first one was a little one, the next one's a little bit bigger. So this one is the biggest one from those 3 fields for the day. But moving along, it looks pretty good so far. I shouldn't jinx it. This is some nice hay over here. Really beautiful stuff, yeah. Beautiful first cutting. First cutting is usually the best because as far as I know, the sugar content is the highest, so animals really like to eat it. If it's cut early. If it's cut late, like oh, just a curve over here. Oh, that's it. There we go. Some people really cut it late, and then basically all you have is junk. But this is still good stuff over here. What a nice view from up here. Look at this, guys. That we just did down there. That's gorgeous up here. Goes in the tailgate. Keep going. Follow the windrow. Alright guys, we got them all baled. Got those fields all cleaned up. I think we got over 100 bales, 104 bales I think. Got it all done. What a beautiful day. Well, I'm gonna head back and unhook the baler and hook up my bale wagon, get that ready for tomorrow, and I'm gonna start moving those bales tomorrow, bring them back to the farm and stack them in our barnyard there. I don't want to leave them out too long, because if you leave them out too long, I experienced that they crows, they any damage to plastic, so you don't want to leave them too long out there. But that's the plan. And then tomorrow, I think I'm gonna head out and take a bale or two out to the deer. They don't eat much right now because of the grass is growing so nice inside their pasture and inside their enclosure. So once in a while we take a bale or two out, and so we'll do that tomorrow, and then can show you guys what the steaks look like now. And I don't know if we find Nosy Girl. I think she had her fawn. Oh yeah, that's right, we have already fawns. I saw the other day a few of them running around already. So, but maybe we'll see Nosy Girl with her fawn tomorrow, but I can't promise. Anyway, alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow or some other day. Bye.